Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Siddharth. Today I am going to explain pleading, and by end you will understand what is pleading. So pleading is a written statement which is filed by the parties of a suit or a proceeding in which the parties state that at the time of trial which statement will be given by him and gives all such particulars the knowledge of which is necessary for his opposite party to know, so that in reply to which he may prepare his case. Pleading shall mean plain or written statement. A written statement is just a statement there which is recorded and filed by the defendant. The objective of the pleading is to limit the plaintiffs and defendant to certain issue and to lessen the expenditure and delay. In connection with the pleading, there are following rules. In pleading, facts should be stated, not law. Then in pleading, fact will be stated in which the party who makes the pleading depends on his suit or his defense, and such evidence by which those facts are proved should not be stated. The pleading should be divided in paragraphs and they should be numbered in serial number, date, amounts, and accounts should express in figure. In pleading, these facts should be described which are necessary for enforcing a legal right or duty. Such facts should not be impressed in the pleadings which is presumed by law in favor of any party or about whom the burden of proof lies on the opposite party. If the same has not been denied specifically, no conclusion of law shall be stated by parties in pleading. In pleading, the estoppel limitation and res judicata should be stated. In pleading, only material facts should be stated. Misrepresentation, fraud, breach of willful default, or undue influences will stated in plaint. In pleading, facts should be stated, but the correctively and certainly. The pleading should be verified by the party or by such person who is well acquainted with the fact. The court of any stage of the proceeding will permit any of these parties to change or amend in such a way and on this condition as it thinks fit, and all these amendments among the parties will be done to dispute of the disputed real question. Necessary amendment can be done in appellate court as well. Amendments of pleading help the parties to correct its mistakes in the pleading. In the case of Cropper versus Smith, the court stated that the objective behind amendments of pleading is to protect the right of the parties and not to punish them for the mistake made by them in the pleading. In the case of Gurdial Singh versus Rajkumar Aneja, the court stated that any person who is applying for the amendments of pleading should stated that what is to be altered and amended or modified in the original pleading. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.